Hi guys, today's video is about consumer goods versus capital goods. It is an important concept for O-level economics and business students and A-level economics and business students as well. Let's talk about consumer goods first. Consumer goods are the goods which are used by final consumers or end users. Now, what are final consumers or end users, by the way? All those people who buy goods from the market to satisfy their own needs and wants, and their purpose is not to sell the item. For example, cell phone, laptop, shoes, house, chocolate, ice cream, it can be anything, right? Now, consumer goods have two types. One is the non-durable goods and the other is durable goods. Non-durable goods are those goods which have a short life because they are perishable in nature, such as eatables or drinks as well, whereas durable goods have a longer life compared to non-durable goods, such as home appliances, TV, or you can say LCD, refrigerator, AC, microwave oven. These are non-durable goods. Now let's talk about capital goods. Capital goods are those goods which are used by producers to produce other goods, such as consumer goods. For example, factory building, machinery, equipment, tools, right? Now, there comes a mind-boggling question after this discussion about the difference between consumer and capital goods. And what is that mind-boggling question? Name any single product which can be classified as a consumer and a capital good at the same time. Confused? Yes, I know. Do you know why some students are confused about it? The reason is because they do not know how to identify them. It's not about the definition. And what is the right way actually? The right way is do not consider the nature of the product here. Always consider how is it being used or who is using it. Let me give you an example. Let's say laptop. Now, laptop is considered as a consumer good if I am using it at my home, surfing the internet, watching movies, playing video games, or sending emails. Okay, so I am getting my own needs satisfied using that laptop. It is a consumer good. But what if laptop is being used in a company office where manager is using it to stay connected with its suppliers, with his suppliers, consumers, and employees, so that production can be done efficiently. Communication can take place throughout the organization. In that case, it is supporting the producer, and here laptop is a capital good. Now I hope that you got a clear idea about the difference between consumer and a capital good. Thank you very much. See you next time.